Cheese facts. 1. Cheese history. Every June 4th is commemorated as Cheese Day. The first Cheese Day celebration was held in 1914 in the city of Monroe, known for cheese making in the U.S. As time went by, celebrations of Cheese Day became much widespread, and today it is a celebration that observes many faces across the globe. Celebrations of International Cheese Day never only end by enjoying the taste of the cheese celebrated, but rather the culture and the history of how that particular type of cheese is produced is cherished. 2. Cheese history. People have made cheese for ages of over 7,000 years, but it is unclear when the first cheese was ever made. 3. Type of cheese. Cheese is also classified according to the form and texture that it assumes, and it has been approximated that the world produces well over 1,800 varieties of cheeses. Some of the largest cheese-producing countries in the world include the United States, Germany, Italy, France, and the Netherlands. 4. Cheese blend. Cheese is usually served with a variety of foods such as bread, cold cuts, fruits, jams, and many other types of foods. 5. Cheese making process. The stages of cheese production consist of pasteurization, milk acidification, incorporation of rennet enzymes, warming and weight drainage, and cheese ripening. 6. The largest cheese in the world. The largest cheese recorded in history weighed 57,518 pounds. This cheese comes from Canada and was created in 1989 and is 32 feet long. 7. Famous cheese. One of the typical cheeses which is widely acknowledged around the globe is called ParmigianoReggiano. This cheese is of Italian origin, made from cow's milk and has a hard texture. 8. The oldest cheese in the world. The oldest known cheese in the world is believed to be over 2,000 years old and has been discovered in the tomb of a mummified past century in China. 9. Famous cheese recipes. Famous example of such cheese dishes is raclette and cheese poutine, pizza caprese, grilled cheese sandwiches with Gouda cheese respectively. 10. Health advantages of cheese. Brain health is preserved because there is evidence that cheese reduces inflammatory cytokines in the brain. It also promotes the health of the heart because of the presence of angiotensin-converting enzyme ACE in cheese, which serves to regulate the blood pressure in the body. Protects teeth and bones. This is due to the calcium, proteins, vitamins, and phosphorus that are found in cheese, which aid in preventing osteoporotic and enhancing the growth of bones to make them denser. Preserves a healthy gut. This is attributed to the presence of probiotics, healthy live microbials found in cheese. Protects one from the risk of having cancer. This is because cheese has oils like linoleic acid and sphingolipids,